Hey, boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited as always to be with you. Um, so yesterday, we together were working with a number path, right? Number path looks just like this. So um, this was the problem that you worked on, and it says there were four frogs hopped onto a log. So you would have wanted to do something like this. So you put four frogs onto a log. Okay, so there's four. And then it says later, two more frogs jumped onto the log. So I'm going to use different color, even though I know frogs aren't orange. I don't want to hear Mr. McAndrew, frogs aren't orange. I know. All right, so if you look at this, you can see that if you had four green frogs, or just four frogs and then two more frogs, you'd have a total of six frogs, right? You can see that. So here we have our four frogs, and we have two more frogs, which gives us six frogs altogether. So that is our question, which is how many total frogs are on the log? Well, that's pretty obvious with the number path, right? So down here, you should have written four frogs plus two frogs is the same as six frogs. Okay, all right, so today, our last day of math this week, we shall continue with the number path. So let's go over to my handy dandy math app. So let's move me out of the way as usual. And we have it's still about frogs, but it's a little bit different. So let's take a look, okay? It says a frog. Whenever it says a frog, it just means one. So one frog. And here's my little froggy. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Okay? It took six jumps. Then the frog took three more jumps. How many total jumps did the frog take? I don't know. Let's find out. So here's my froggy. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. He took six jumps. So this is like, remember I said this is like a game board where like you might roll the dice and you might get a six, right? It might look like, let's see, this is a six right there, okay? And so you hop six, right? So he took six jumps. So let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he lands on the 6. All right. So far, he started. He started here, and he took. Oh, why isn't it writing? He took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops, or jumps, I should say. So that's 6. From here to here is 6. All right, but he's not done yet, right? This is a good little froggy. He says then the frog took 3 more jumps. A jumpy little froggy. All right, so let's count 3 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where did he land? You can see that when he hopped 3 more, he landed on the number 9. So let's say 1, 2, 3 more hops. He lands right here on number 9. So here we had 6, and here we have 3 more hops. So we can say that 6 plus 6 hops, or jumps, plus 3 more jumps equals 9. And we can prove that right on our number line, because he landed right on the 9. Okay? So real quick, just for fun, what if we said, so let's go to your math packet. So please take out your math packet, which should look like this. Okay? And we're going to turn to where it says Friday. Friday, Friday. Isn't that a song? Friday, Friday? I don't think it's a very good song, but it's catchy. Once you start singing it, you can't stop, right? Friday, Friday. Okay, so here's the same problem. Right? It says a frog took 6 jumps. Then he took 3 more jumps. So I'm going to use one of my cubes as my froggy. It doesn't matter what color it is, okay? So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to jump 6 times. I'm going to go 1, do I do this so you can see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then the frog took 3 more jumps. So we take our cube and we jump 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And we end up on the, as we said, we end up on the 9. Okay? So your number sentence or your equation would look like 6 hops plus 3 hops equals, jumps. Jumps equals 9. One thing, boys and girls, I want to point out to you. You don't want to start on 1 because you haven't jumped yet. You want to start, like in game boards, there's like a little spot that says start. It's kind of like that, okay? So this is like where you start, right? You can think of that as like 0 because you haven't gone anywhere. And then you hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? All right, so what I want you to do is the same thing on this problem, which I shall read to you. So you should have one little froggy cube out, although actually in this problem it's not a froggy. Let's find out what it is. I'm going to use a different color. It's a rabbit. It says a rabbit took 3 hops. So you're going to start here and you're going to hop 3. Next, the rabbit took 4 more hops. How many total hops did the rabbit take? So what you want to do, excuse me, boys and girls, is you want to hop 3 times, and then you're going to take 4 more hops and find out where you land. And then you write your number sentence right here. Okay? All right, good job, boys and girls. If you need to go back and review the video again, that's totally fine. All right, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again soon. All right, and remember, keep counting, play games, play board games where you have to roll dice and jump. That's all really good. Keep putting things together to add them up. You can practice anytime you want, okay? All right, great job, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.